Graphing on the coordinate plane. This is a beginning lesson on how to plot points. And it starts out with some vocabulary. So it teaches students some of the vocabulary of the coordinate plane, the vertical and the horizontal number line, quadrants, the names of the vertical and horizontal number lines, coordinates, how coordinates are written, and the definition of origin. So when they get down to slide 8, after they've gone all through this lesson, they're just going to click and hold. So these are movable. We have sentence frames. Okay, so they're going to read the sentences and then move these words into the correct place. So there are 2 slides with sentence frames. Then it gives them a lesson on how to plot the points. So they're always going to start at the origin, go right for positive numbers, and up for positive numbers, to the left and down, x coordinate, y coordinate. And then they're just going to look at these ordered pairs, and they're going to move these on the bottom. What do you do first for your x coordinate? What do you do second for your y coordinate? So here, if you have a negative and a positive, you're going to move left and then up. So you're going to move this next to the correct coordinates. I'm going to do that with all 4. And then students are actually going to plot points. So they can click on these little black dots, click and hold, and then they can move them on the coordinate plane. And they're going to plot all 5 of these points. Then they have 5 more. And then they're going to look at these points, A, B, C, and D, and they're going to type in the ordered pair. So they need to use parentheses and a comma in between the 2 numbers. And they're going to do that again. And the very last slide, they're going to create a picture. So they're just going to go here at start. They're just going to plot all of these points. When they get to this point, they're going to stop and start over in a new point. So they're actually going to be using these green lines to connect from one point to the next. And it should draw a picture for them. All of the completed slides are on here for the teacher. And so if you want to make a class copy, just come up here to File, make a copy of the entire presentation, and just delete all the completed slides before you assign them to the students.